Hey everyone, this is James Dean from James Dean's Garage. Today's project will be installing a split bumper on my 72 Pro Street Camaro. So as you can see, there's the new kit that we bought from OER, and the reason I bought this kit is because it comes with all the bolts for it as well. So if you come over here, here's the bumper I'm going to be disassembling from the car. Sorry about that. I apologize for this view. I just don't have a lot of room because I'm currently working out of a two-car garage in Michigan, middle of January, and the temperatures are a bit cold. So back to the project. I have 4 bolts, 2 on each side of the vehicle that I have to remove. This particular bumper should have had also a few more added to it, but the prior owner never neglected to install them all. So just a brief shot of the car. It's got the battery charger on. I already put it up on jack stands, so let's get started. Alright you guys, you can see the end result. I turned on the LEDs just to get a little bigger effect. That's it for today's video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll get back with you.